Hello! While many electronic makers have attempted to master foldable devices, Samsung seems to be only one to have succeeded. At CES 2022, Samsung unveiled several upcoming folding devices, including smartphones and laptops that have S or G-shaped designs. The S design features 3 panels that open up to make a larger tablet. The G design folds inward on all sides so you can store it without scratching the display. During CES, Samsung showed off the Flex Note, which expands from 13 inches to 17 inches, and the Flex Slidable, a smartphone with a display that extends to one side. There's already a foldable smartphone from Samsung, the Galaxy Z, that starts at $1,799. At this year's CES, the company displayed its ability to create such a device with its concept devices. This triple setup opens up in an S shape, allowing the screen to be significantly expanded. Because of 3 panels, the Flex G panel features an inward fold that provides more protection for display. This allows devices to be more portable since it can be folded twice. After unfolding, the Flex Note becomes a larger monitor. On the Flex Slidable, there is a hidden screen that can be released by pushing a button on the top left corner. In the video, the user app appears on the right screen, so they can work on the larger left screen. Samsung unveiled a new smartphone on Monday at CES, which is available to pre-order even though their devices are concepts. The Galaxy S21 FE features similar technology to the Galaxy S21 family of smartphones, but is $100 cheaper. Prices starts at $699. The S21 FE offers a 6.4-inch AMOLED screen, a triple lens camera, and 5G capabilities. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE also comes in olive, graphite, lavender, and white colors and comes with its fastest chip. With just 30 minutes of charging, the headset's battery can reach 50% capacity. S21 FE will ship on January 11. CEO and President T.M. Raw said in a statement that Samsung Electronics saw a lot of interest in Galaxy S20 FE, a Galaxy S21. FE 5G to have premium features that matter most to our Galaxy fans, because we want to deliver a phone that meets their most important needs.